if we do get into euro shorts, it looks like we're approaching value. I'll update the WhatsApp and keep up to date with you guys. I'll also update the Discord. So yeah, any final questions before we kill it? So many final words. Yes, Dean, euro dollar shorts. Will
Here we go. UJ Longs. Gonna see a nice little pusher. There we go. Beautiful push. Just watching that 15. I want to see that 15 break above this level here now. As everyone, welcome to the live stream. As I said, I will be doing these more often. Now we got in the same position with our students at the moment. We can really mitigate risk by watching this thing pop now. We are running about 7 grand profit so far. We want to see this volume come in now, yeah? Absolutely just rip up. So if we can crack and hold above this level, we should be pretty good. I'm gonna get my risk ready. I'm gonna see a crack and hold. That R candle's also flipping here now. There we go. There's that crack. We need to see that hold now. A 5 minute chart here and 3 minute chart. How's it, everyone? Make sure to like, subscribe. As you see, I've been bringing out pretty solid content for you guys. And if there's any specific video that you want me to get done, questions that you might have, please pop it in the live chat here or in the comments in some of my videos. As I do read them, and I'll bring those videos to you as soon as I can. I still got to record day 8 and day 9. That's Dre's. Guys, really good in yourself, man. So we want to see this 3 minute break above UJ here and hold. You need to see a nice extension. We don't want to see this thing rotate. Um, we already got that initial bullish reaction out of the market, which is beautiful. We are running 8 grand profit here. We put on light risk on this idea. So we're running 8 grand profit so far. As you can see, put on light risk. We want to see this 5 close above. We are watching that zone. If not, then we are going to manage this trade. We already mitigated our stops already. And our stops were here. So we want to see that 27 mark. We want to see this candle pop above. Come on. Next 5 opened up. Not exactly the closure we wanted. It might pull back here a little bit and then rotate. That's Brum. Yeah, so day 2 of the live streams again. So the idea we got in at this point, we are managing. If price does pull down, we might take a BE. The things are looking good. We got a nice little rotation, 5 minute and 3 minute holding above. And we need to see this thing hold above this level and get a nice little surge in the market here. Struggling to hold that level. Patience is key. We are coming to the new 30. Let's take a look at DXY here. DXY bounced off nicely off that area. Needs to see that thing rotate. I want to see DXY back into 9,200. I'm trying to do that thing, it's not doing it, so let go. I'm gonna get my stops even tight here. See now this 5 needs to push and hold. Come on, push and hold. Welcome everybody, another live stream here. Let's see what happens during London session here in Cape Town. They say I was trying to show the profits there on the left, but every time I click on the screen, obviously it disappears. How's Matthew? Yes, another day, another dollar. Let's see if we can actually get a profit on stream here today. I'll be being a little bit patient with the market this morning. There are a few red flags in UJ that we've got a massive gap here that still hasn't been filled. So I'm just keeping that in mind, and obviously, like, our price has already extended itself. I just want to see a push up to the 27 mark. If we do that, then we should be pretty good. There we go. There's that pop. We'll just pop and hold, man. Pop and hold. Hey, Dean. Yeah, I still have to go through MetaTrader, unfortunately. But I heard they are bringing it out soon. Hopefully very soon. Running about 10 grand profits now. I'm just going to show you 10, 9 grand, run about there. We need this thing to hold above this level. We don't want it to keep on liquidating. Let's hope price can do us good today. Do us good today. Do us good today, man. Come on. Thanks, Dean. Yeah, thanks for subscribing, bringing out more and more content on a day-to-day basis. If you guys have any specific videos that you want me to do, any questions that you might have, especially when it comes to this industry, I definitely can. I want to touch on all topics. I want to get the channel out there, being transparent, realistic. And that's like one thing I've always tried to do and try to be, even on my other social medias, platforms. Like most of these other guys online, especially in SA, bro, there's just so many scammers, so many people that sell dreams, these gurus. What is it, gurus? So yeah, just trying to bring out be transparent, bring out the realness within the trading space. Uh, that's why I'm doing these live streams, showing if I do take a loss, I do take a loss. If I take a break even, I take a break even. On this idea specifically, I don't want to take a loss. I mean, we're in profits here. Don't want to look at anything to take a loss here. We want to see this thing surge. Next 30-minute candles opening, candle closes are important. So I use multiple different prop firms web, funded next. The one that I'm doing the challenge on, I haven't said as of yet, and I don't think I'll say yet until I get a payout. And Vault Funder, Funder Pro, FTMO, use multiple other top name brands, the really good ones. But this is personal capital that we're trading on at the moment. And we are up about 9 grand. It's kind of floating. Here we go, a little pop, about 10 grand at the moment on personal cap. 10, almost 11 grand personal cap. So we got that pop that we wanted. We got that closure that we wanted. That is beautiful. Next 30-minute candle opened. Let's see, we might get a small little push down. I don't mind it. Remember, most candles want to create its bearish wick. But we want to see this thing hold this area, man. We don't want to see this thing rotate downwards. We want to see this thing hold at least around about this area here, and then maybe see a rotation of that. or just straight push now. If you can do that, even better. Straight push now off this high level. I'm gonna watch this low here too. Okay, so if this 30-minute candle, we need to see this straight push here. We need this flip, 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 flip. SA props, I do have a few accounts with some SA props. They're not bad. Just got to choose the right ones. The one that I'm using now is an SA prop too, in the funded account challenge. But again, as I said, this is personal cap that we're trading on today. Ugh. Let's see. Come on, let's get a push here now. Let's get some volume coming into the market. I mean, it's only 10:30. We can get some volume running to the top side. It's looking really good, yeah. There's that volume. Nice, nice, nice. Keep on running it up. Running about 13 grand at the moment. This is done live in front of your eyes. I know what I'm doing. You guys want to join my team, right? No, 100% web, and that's why I'm doing this challenge to show you the performance and how the account has been dealing. There we go. Sorry, nice little push here on UJ. Running some beautiful profits. Small. We didn't put a lot of size on this. Just to show you, running about 15 grand profit so far. We needed to hold above this level now. All right, then we can really just skyrocket. I'm gonna put my stops at in profits at 7 grand, 7 grand profits. So my stop is now chilling here. Draw a line out here quick. Okay, well I'll mark out this here. So my stop loss is. Let's make this red. So risk-free trade, we up, good profit here. Now let's see if we can keep this rotation, keep this price movement. Let's go. If anyone else got on this trade with me on stream, when I did start the stream, price was still chilling here, so profit targets were still reasonable, especially with your risk management. I'm going to see this 5 kind of hold this position here. We don't want it to rotate too low, especially on this next 5 open. That's going to happen in about 8 seconds here. Can you guys hear me now? Let's just check what mic we're using here. Sorry, guys. Hope you guys can hear me now. Even if I did this, is the music too loud? Beautiful extension. Come, this 5 needs to hold you now. Let's go. We can make 27 grand on this trade. It'll be good. Let's see if we can keep on getting this bullish push here. We should be able to. 100% short sympathy. I'll shift my stop a little bit tighter here now too. Give us a few more good pushes here at least. We hit TP1, by the way. Hit TP1. I still want to over manage here at this point. Depending on price action, I might shift my stop a little bit low, especially depending on where this candle closes and whatnot. As I think it might come down one more time, maybe for that push, before that push happens. But of course, we obviously just want that surge straight. No music playing there. I'm gonna try and put maybe my mic a bit louder. Let's see. If I put my mic like this, is this a bit better? Let's see, maybe if I do, give me this, give me 2 seconds here, guys. And we'll see what is capturing, which one it's capturing. Maybe that helped. Let me know. Beautiful searches on UJ. Would it be smart to enter now? No, unfortunately not. But there is quite a few other ideas that we've developed. Okay, so here's UJ pushing. Oh, I love it. Running quite nicely here. Running about, let's just show the profits again. Yeah. Running about 18 grand profits at the moment. You know, our price target is a little bit extended. EU was just on the table here for us, but we wanted price to pull back a little bit deeper. I think DXY is just really pushing here now, so we might struggle to break this high. Not struggle, but I think maybe slow price action to break this high. Of course, we want just straight movement, breaking this 9,800 level. Because we can see it bounced off it previously, so we want a straight reaction out of that. I'm going to move my stops even more a little bit now. I'm going to move it at about 14k. 14k stop, so price does, that is about this level here. Need one more strong push on UJ. Just one strong push here, and then we are really set for some good cash to make here today. It's a really strong push here, will come in very much in clutch. Give us a few more surge highs here. Come on, UJ. One or two more surges higher. DXY is kind of falling at this area now. Kind of want to just see it just straight push. How long have I been in the trading space? 7 years, my man. Been doing this for a long time. Okay, well, we have the next 15. I might shift my stops a little bit further down here because we have the next 15-minute candle opening up and it might retest this high and then start rotating. Ideally, I wanted to be out this trade before the 15 comes, and because then there's uncertainty. $804. So my TP is actually around about here, 804. Did that 27. Just give us one more strong push. DXY is rotating here. Still running about 18 grand profits at the moment at this level. So we still got a little bit of a way to push to hit our overall price target. But if we do get a nice little surge here, even on this 15, just pushing a little bit high before maybe even a rotation, I'll look at to take out at 24 grand. Dean, very good question. I pay very much close attention to news actually, as that affects my overall decision. Not completely. Definitely always got to have my technical analysis there, and you know what I need to focus on. But something that's important for me is watching how price action is moving when news comes out. How's it going to affect the markets in the long term, etc., etc. Like these things are all very, very important, bro. Most people say, "Oh, leave the macros out of the picture." Well, macros is why I make so much money too. Not trading heavily news. I'm not trading like CPI and NFP to make quick gains. What I'm doing is I'm utilizing those types of macros in my day-to-day trading on when there is a little bit less of lower volume. There we go. Getting a nice little surge here now, running about 21k profits. We're literally almost there. I just want to see this surge. Just surge a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Come on. We're running about 22,000 Rand profits on our personal capital. So it's not bad, not a bad day at all. Um, Smaller than usual, but overall pretty good. I just want to see one more pop, just a pop to come, because then we're out, bro. Then we're out of this trade. Just give us a pop here. Come on. One pop, just a pop. I'm gonna shift my stops even more now. I'm definitely not taking a loss on this idea. That's for sure. Shift my stops to that point. I want it to pop and then it can rotate. I don't mind. Pop, rotate, my brother. Pop, rotate. We're almost at TP. Pop, rotate. Pop and rotate. Pop, rotate. Almost there. Ah, it's so close. So close. Ugh, the pop. It did pop, and then it rotated. Oh, a standard lot, my brother. I was about to TP. We might look to just cut it here. We just want to see if there's one more pop that can happen. We've got about 14 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. I'm going to move my stops literally right up until this point now. Let's see here. Good trade. That's TP2 basically. I think I'm going to cut the position in about 20 seconds. Just want to see if we can get one more pop above. Yeah, I should have waited for that EMA alignment on that 5. That's what I was definitely watching. Give me confirmation in this idea. just want to see one more pop. Again, welcome to all the new viewers. I'd appreciate if you could like and subscribe. I'm going to be bringing out most valuable content you haven't seen on YouTube as of yet. So yeah, let's see if we can we got rerunning quite nicely. I just want to see if we can push to about, it's literally like right there by my TP. Sorry, my TPs are right about here. Okay. And obviously with spreads, it's going to have to just go just past that level. So I want to see if we can just pop once here. Like I don't want to take out just before the TP's properly hit, but I am stop loss way in profits here. So I mean, either way, we will be making money. Awesome web. Looking forward to having that chat, man. Okay, cool. I'm out of this position. That's 22K for the day. Lovely stuff. Yeah, again, guys, if you want to be trading live with me every single day, I'll be doing this from time to time. But if you want to be first hand with my students that already get the ideas before they just develop, uh, go to my video, one of my videos, click book a call. Book a call with me today, and we'll start having a chat. I do teach my students. Oh, I do teach my students how to trade properly. I give them the right source. Um, yeah, and I'm just giving the knowledge that I wish I had back then. Live training sessions, lessons, everything is data related. You'll see this trade idea was developed on 85% after breaking above Asian range. And we can see we broke above it quite nicely, and then we got that extension. So we had confidence in idea with this trade hitting TP because of stats, statistics, as well as our strategy. It works. Same thing over and over again, and I will be doing a full breakdown on this trade on my channel too. So if you want to go take a look at that, I mean, I'll leave it up there for you guys too. And then yeah, I'll catch you guys all in the next one. I'm gonna end my stream at that point. I see that we are picking up more and more viewers as time goes on. So yeah, just happy to bring as much value as possible to you guys. Please showing support. Please keep showing support. Please keep showing. Share this videos to your friends that want to learn how to trade. I got a video recently of how to do trading and taxes. Share that video to anyone that doesn't understand about taxes. And again, if you guys have any certain videos that are requested, let me know because I will get them done. Awesome, guys. Lovely stuff. Cheers, everyone. Peace out.